President Sheikh Mohamud uria uri icera-ini guku bururi-ini aheanite uhoro uyu ari kambini ya Ifo mwena wa Dadaab. Ni acokirie bururi wa Kenya ngatho ni undu wa uria ukoretwo wiheanite kwa ihinda ria miaka 25 kuhe andu aya uikaro.
The return of the refugees is one of the indicators that the country is progressing, and the government of Somalia, in collaboration with the international community, is working to provide those services back home where the refugees are going to settle.
Mohamud niwe president wa mbere wa Somalia gucera kambini ino ya Dadaab kwa ihinda ria makiria ma miaka 20 kuma riria yahingurirwo. Umuthi President Mohamud ni agire na gikaro na President Uhuru wa Kenyatta kiria kiuma thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi. Hindi ya gikaro giki President Uhuru wa Kenyatta ni aranire guthie na mbere kurutithania wira na bururi wa Somalia maundu-ini me mothe.
One people who have a shared and common desire for peace, for stability, for economic prosperity for our people. And mine is just to assure you, Mr. President, that Kenya will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with Somalia.
President Mohamud ni eranire kurutithania wira na bururi wa Kenya niguo gutigirira ni yakinyaniria mubango wa kuhinga kambi ya Dadaab na njira iria yagireire.
We will support Kenya to support us. Regarding the issue of the refugees in particular, I do understand the people of Kenya, their level of challenge and difficulties that they're facing because of accommodating and hosting all this large population in the refugee camps. We will work with you on these matters.
Merio gatagati ka atongoria aya eri no igathie na mbere muthenya wa rucio o guku thingira-ini wa iregi. Ngeribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Thank you. Okay.